But Mega Mart, y'all gonna see in a minute. I'm gonna take y'all inside. I don't know who own it, but they getting it popping. Stay tuned. Yep, Mega Mart. Nice full stock shelves. Me personally, I'm coming to grab some breakfast because we at the bank, which is a 2-hour hard deal. So yeah, all the liquors, good shit too. Yes. Mega Mart. Ramping Shop. Vibes Cartel Liquor. He got all of them. Rum. Dark rum. I like people who get their money. Vibes. Go on Vibes Cartel. Get that money. Nice vegetables. I'm looking for some coconut water for Nikki right quick, though.
What's happening?
Hello, dear. You know it's free just a coconut. Oh, let me see it. Coconut water. Thank you. All right, found some coconut water. Best for hydration. So, yo, look. For everybody who drinking coconut water out there, I'm gonna show you what to look for. You can see no sugar added. You don't want coconut water with added sugars. Ooh, there go my stuff. So we stand on this. Yeah, you don't want nothing with the added sugar. So whenever you're looking for coconut water, no added sugars, only the regular sugars. All right, stay tuned. Confused card.
Good morning.
In the food court in the supermarket. Gotta love that. Well, I guess they in all of them. I'm talking about food. All right, I got work to do. I'll check back. This one difference for the plastic one?
This one is 8.
What's the price difference? This one more? That one more? Oh, you just said, when I record now.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Oh, your name.
Hi, Sean.
You're gonna be on TV, you gotta smile. Alright, thank you, Saya. Appreciate it, alright. Alright, that was Mega Mart in Montego Bay, Jamaica. You see the exchange rate. $1 is $1.45 Jamaican. Car raffle. Let me put it. Sorry about that. How you doing today? How the fellas treating you?
Okay.
All right. Later. So yeah, that was Mega Mart. Nice little spot. Groceries, people. And I'm going back to the bank. Now banks take like 2 hours. All we doing is changing our account information. All right, how you doing? So it's taking like 3 hours, but yeah. Thank y'all for tuning in. Just wanted to take y'all to Mega Mart right quick. I'm Money Mark signing off. Montego Bay, Jamaica. No more as a tourist, but resident, question mark. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm out. Peace.